respective executive engineers of departments of roads, water supply, sewage, electricity department, along with their Pune teams, including people from fire service, health, and police department, water resource department, सगळ्यांकडे आज coordination meeting झाली, along with the panchayats and the ZP, to coordinate and ensure that the pre-monsoon works are coordinated well. एक म्हणल्यार डेव्हलपमेंटाच्या बाबतीत परवरी मतदारसंघात लास्ट 2 वर्सां अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंगाचे काम पूर्ण तरेन तिन्ही पंचायतींनी गांवांत आनी वयल्या वाठारांत पूर्ण तरेन हाय टेन्शन आनी लो टेन्शन कामां चालू. त्याच टायमार वॉटर सप्लायचे रिजर्वायर नवो आसतकच ओल्ड पायपलायन शिफ्टिंग आनी चेंजिंग चालू जालें. त्याच टायमार आमी सिवरेजची कनेक्शनां दिवपाक लागली आनी त्या सिवरेज डिपार्टमेंटाच्या कनेक्शनां दिवंक लागले थंय रस्ते फोडपाक लागले. आता हातूंत देव लॉट ऑफ डिस्टर्बन्स डस्ट पोल्युशन बाकीची सगळी गजाल जाल्ली आनी I take this opportunity on behalf of along with my Sarpanch and the respective Panchayat members to thank the people of Koroi for having stood strongly in spite of the constraints they have faced. एक पॉइंट हायवेचे काम चालू आसा, फ्लायओव्हरचे काम चालू आसा, त्याच टायमार इश्यूज इंटरनल वेरी चालू आशिल्ले. वेगळे विषय कंटिन्यू टू एवरी डिपार्टमेंट्स कंपनी we have discussed where we needed to ensure that smooth coordination is there between departments. पंचायत मेंबर नाला सरपंच नाला झेडपी नाला आमदार जेन्ना हे विषय इंडिविज्युअल डिपार्टमेंट्साकडे उलयता आनी एकदा कोऑर्डिनेशन समज सारकें ना, these left sometimes the whole brunt and the blame game start coming on the elected members not knowing what went wrong, what went right. पण कोऑर्डिनेशन बारीक गजाली समज सारकें जालें, स्मूथ जालें, खुबश्यो गोष्टी तयार जावन बऱ्यो वचूंक शकता, ज्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमकां मॉन्सुनाच्या वेळार त्रास जावचे ना. मे महिन्यात उदकाचो विषय आसता जाल्यार कसो हँडल करपाचो ते जून ते सप्टेंबर मॉन्सुनाच्या वेळार कितें करपाचें. सो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन रिस्टोरेशन ऑफ रोड्स ते तांणी ऑलरेडी अंडरग्राउंड केबल मेक केला, सोलिंग करून दिवप आनी एन्श्योरिंग दॅट दे आर कंप्लीटिंग देयर वर्क्स बिफोर 20th of May is a commitment given by the electricity department. Following which the roads and the other departments will also ensure restoration of the roads which have been dug up. उदकाची समस्या सोपली जाल्यार जून ते सप्टेंबर राज्य इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचे माध्यमाचे इंजिनियर्स कोण कोऑर्डिनेट करतले, ऑल राउंड अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ मॅन पॉवर, एट द सेम टाइम देयर हेल्पलाइन्स, डेप्युटी कलेक्टरांचे हेल्पलाइन्स तांचे कितें कोऑर्डिनेशन जाय पडटा कितें आसा तें, फायर स्टेशनाची वेवस्था आनी प्री मॉन्सुनाच्या अजून म्हाका कितें खंय करचें पडटा ट्रेनिंग जावं बाकीच्यो ह्यो सविस्तर सगळ्यो गजाली पंचायतींनी आपल्या सरपंचांनी आनी सेक्रेटरीनी बऱ्या तरेन डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन मांडिल्ल्यो आसात, डिस्कशन केल्लें आसा आनी टू फायंड द वे एंड मिडियम टू एन्श्योर दॅट स्मूथ कोऑर्डिनेशन इज डन. I have asked the deputy collectors, both of them, to ensure that this same meeting, what has been taken today, is again taken within another 8 to 10 days on the action taken on this today's meeting, so that all the works which we have discussed today find a timeline to be completed. नाल्यार खुबशे मेंबरांची कंप्लेन आशिल्ल्यो की लास्ट इयर सुद्दां ती कामां सांगली ती थोड्या डिपार्टमेंटान केलीच ना आनी ताचे खातीर ती त्रास शेवटी त्या वाड्याक त्या मनशाक त्या खंय रावता ताका त्रास जाल्लो आसता. तो आपलो त्रास पण मेंबरा कडेन कन्वे करता आनी समटायम्स वन मेंबर डज नॉट फायंड अ विंडो टू डिस्कस दिस टायप ऑफ इश्यूज वेन इट कम्स एज अ ब्लेम गेम ऑन द मेंबर. डेव्हलपमेंट आमकां जाय पूण आमकां तें डेव्हलपमेंट करता आसतना सस्टेनेबिलिटी पळयता आसतना एट द सेम टायम स्मूथनेस आसचे म्हणून ताचे खातीर कोऑर्डिनेशन मिटींग जशी वार्षिक आमी मागयता तशी सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटा कडेन मागयल्ली आसा. जबाबदारी सगळ्यांचे कडेन आपली डिपार्टमेंटाचेर घेतिल्ली आसा. पुलीस खात्याक सुद्दां आपलें पेट्रोलिंग जावं बाकीचे कितें वाडोवंक जाय तें आपलें घेतिल्लें आसा. सो लिस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स हॅव बीन शेअर्ड बाय रिस्पेक्टिव्ह पंचायत्स टू द डिपार्टमेंट रिस्पेक्टिव्ह डिपार्टमेंट्स with an action taken plan which will be reviewed by the deputy collector within the next 10 days. हे समज केलें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता पंचनाम्याक कांय त्रास जावचे ना आनी ताज्या खातीर आयची मिटींग जी घेतिल्ली was basically a meeting to review and coordinate the issues between panchayats, punch members and respective departments to effectively ensure smooth coordination during monsoons. At the same time, pre-monsoon म्हणजे आता monsoonच्या पयलीं जितली कामां उरल्या रस्ते फोडल्या बाकीचे डॅम्स जाल्ले आसात थंय बाकीचे रिस्टोरेशन जाल्लें ना बायलो दिसपट्टा स्कुटरा वयल्यान ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली ज्यो जाता त्यो जेन्ना नोट जाता ऑन ह्युमॅनिटेरियन ग्राउंड्स पंच मेंबर्स एंड इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स ऑल ऑफ अस वी वर्क we expect the departments to coordinate effectively. To effectively ensure that the coordination for pre-monsoon and during monsoon time is done.
Well, when you're looking at the issue seriously concerning the highway issue, especially when you talk about the start of Tanjung to the Porvori circle to Kerala circle, because the flyover and the
highway main first, I think the highway work is happening at a good speed and the quality as of date seems to be quite good. We are expecting him to finish the work by January, February 2026 as per the timelines he has given. That time थोड़े issues जैसे highway च्या दोन्ही साइड lot of residents have complained कि drains have to be cleaned up or flooding, which is something which only the resident knowing that knows. तो particular एखाद्या गोष्टीचा असं खबर असते. So executive engineers of national highway has been told to ensure that this type of works which are pertaining to after effects of the works of what national highway is doing are closely monitored and action immediately taken. So we will ensure that same review being taken by the next 10 days along with my other secretary and the deputy collector is done so that they are whether action taken to the
Sir, during monsoon, who will see the maintenance of highway? Porvori corridor. No, Porvori, that work is going on now. During monsoon, problem will be much.
It is a part of the national highway work.
Yeah.
So it is responsible national highway to ensure. पण त्याने आता सांगा की आम्ही आमच्या वॉर्ड मेंबरकडे मिळवून आपल्याला इन्फॉर्मेशन खंयचे कितें आसा ते आम्ही वी विल गेट इट डू इट. फॉर एक्झाम्पल तूं जेन्ना पणजेच्यान पर्वरी येता जी एरिया यमुना आनी ती सगळी ती आसा ते नॅशनल थंय ते एरियन ड्रेन आनी ते फ्लडिंग जाता ते पार्लियामेंट रोल ऑफ नॅशनल हायवे टू डू इट. Small things leading to major issues for residents taking that needs to be clear.
माती सगळी उदकान इतली रस्त्याचेर सगळी
ते सगळे करपाक म्हाका डिपार्टमेंट वायज ताका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिल्ली आसा. लायक की एक्झिक्युटिव्ह इंजिनियर रोड्स हॅज बीन टोल्ड टू कोऑर्डिनेट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, सिवरेज अँड अदर डिपार्टमेंट्स टू एन्श्योर रिस्टोरेशन ऑफ रोड्स. कोणाची कलेक्टिव्ह रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी शुड बी. खंयच्या डिपार्टमेंटाक असं की रोड्स हॅज टू एन्श्योर दे आर रिस्टोरिंग द रोड्स बिफोर मॉन्सून स्टार्ट. Executive engineer highway आशिल्लो. We have not called any contractors or anybody. We have just called a department officer along with our elected members so that first time information and discussion takes place along with the secretaries of respective panchayats who have listed down this particular issue department wise and pass these papers to the department wise एक paper. Electricity police सगळे पेपर दिल्ले आसा आणि सगळे युनिट डेप्युटी कलेक्टर ते घेतिल्ले आसा. त्याचे एक्शन प्लॅन review will be taken in the next time.
Deadline भी किती दिल्ली असा?
दादा सर मैंने सांगा 20 मेच्या पयलीं or by 20th May, electricity, which is the core department to ensure that they complete their works, they have given their commitment today in today's meeting, which has been mediated, कि they will do their part. काही त्यांचे काम केलं तर उरले other departments काम करपाचो.
As a minister and MLA of Porvori, how has been the coordination of the support of the Panch members, basically from all this panchayat which comes under it?
जे पंच मेंबरांनी सगळ्यांनी आपले विचार मांडले तांचे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज टेकन अप. I think wherever we meet, certain panchayats which members are not in the same panels along with us, they were not present here today. So I think they have to justify their words. Nevertheless, we are not waiting for them. We will ensure that the people in that area are given justice by coordinating with the department directly. काम बंद जाऊ शकणार. काम त्या एरियानी we are not here to do politics. We are here to do development works. ज्यांना राजकारण करपाक राजकारण करून आम्ही डेव्हलपमेंट करतो.
पण तुम्ही आपयता असताना देखून येणार तर पॉलिटिक्स करता असणार.
म्हाका दिसना ही गजाली वर्क थिंग वी आर मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन गेटिंग द वर्क्स. Secretaries of the panchayats have been told they are coordinating the things and we will coordinate to the secretaries of the respective panchayats.
Okay. So another issue is that ग्रामसभा तुमच्याच पंचायतीन एका लागून ओपोज केलेला आसा. in that river दर्यान येता पळय तो.
अरे समज anything to be done, म्हाका information circulated people have objected to the jetty which somebody has gone and taken permission from inland waterways. आम्ही last time सुद्धा सरकार असताना मंगळवेर बरोबर we had been captain of ports as a nodal agency for Goa under IWAI. Captain of ports is on record saying that he has not given any permission. Then whoever has got this permission of IWAI does not stand as far as the workers of Goa are concerned, because they have not understood. थंयच्यान देखीक घेवंक मेळटा फिजिबिलिटी पंचायतीक थंय ताजे लॉजिस्टिक्स तांकां चलता काय ना पंचायतीन पयलीं एनओसी दिवची पडटा based on which captain of ports takes up this issue and then they can apply the IWA. Somebody trying to use something. ये bypass हो जाए ना. Somebody is free to do everything what they want. End of the day, panchayat becomes a body who takes the sentiments of the Gram Sabha to decide on the issues which are required. आणि उत्तर तू येऊन बसती करतलो. जर पूर्ण गावात त्रास जातलो जाल्यार गांव कितें उबें रावतलो. So I think panchayat Gram Sabha is taking cognizance of the people. This issue I will definitely take up with the chief minister and ensure that it's taken to a logical end.
And if Panchayat, but are you not surprised that तुमकां ते inform करना म्हणटा?
The captain of port being nodal agency did not know. So IWA and some of the permissions, we paper मागिल्ले आसा आमी रिपोर्टिंग मागला. आता निमतां मेळ्ळें की I will comment on it. I don't know on what basis or what type of. I can't go by assumptions on the press release. We need to know what permission has been given by IWA, where, like law system. खंय घालपाचें फाल्यां समज धरलें आनी सरपंचाच्या घरा वयर फाटलें हाव डू यू स्टे जायना ही देर विल बी मोर क्लियर ऑन दिस टायप ऑफ इश्यूज
रिपोर्ट कोणाकडे मागला
रिपोर्ट आयलो आमी कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्साक सांगला आमकां रिपोर्ट सबमीट करता कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स ऑल्सो आस्क द रिपोर्ट फ्रॉम IWA आमकां तो रिपोर्ट मेळ्ळो की देन आय विल बी टेकन दिस टॉपिक विथ द चीफ मिनिस्टर टिल देन whoever got whatever permission good for him I cannot comment on that
Also, separate question. Tourism and
Tourism
education.
आज प्री मॉन्सूनचे सोपय नाल्यार फाल्यां मिटींग जातली तुमची गेटी आनी टुरिजम आय विल टॉकिंग टुमॉरो ऑन टुरिस्ट स्पेसिफिक
सर एकूच सांगा सर पहलगाम एटॅका उपरांत सर न्ही सर गोंयचेर कितें टुरिजमाचे परिणाम जाला
हो प्रश्न सांगा सर
ना सर मात एक
थँक्यू
फाल्यां मिटींग आसा